drop. Listen here, this is basic arithmetic. Divide and conquer, so charismatic. Hey, buddy, in the chasing hits like ethics. I'd rather put lead in your ethic. Bad sticks, articulate MCs are rare.
What's up, YouTube? Like I said last night, if you watched the video, I was gonna do the Chinese New Year unboxing today, and they came through. I'll open these up. I didn't even open it up myself. It's still taped from Goat. Let's see how they look. Okay. There's the box. And let's see. There you go. Size 12. Chinese New Year. And let's open them up. Let's see what we got. Top off. Goat. Authentic, baby. We got this beautiful wrapping that they come in. And well, bam. Gorgeous shoe. Gorgeous. Nice feel to it. I really, really like this material. From what I've seen, you can pull this off and it will reveal the colors of the, the inside of the shoe on the outside, but I don't think I'm trying that. I like them the way they are. They smell wonderful. Got the red 23 on the back. The Jordan. Let's see on the bottom. Yeah. Got your little red pods. MJ on the top. Let's see. That's that one. Beautiful. It's a beautiful shoe. Definitely going to be rocking these. The only thing I worry about, especially being in upstate New York, is this white bottom. This is definitely going to get dirty. Definitely. Especially with our roads and streets up here with the rock salt in the wintertime. But this is a nice shoe. This is really nice. You see the inside of that? Yeah. It's nice. So I like the way that they made these. The quality is really nice. This is my first time ever getting any of the Chinese New Year Jordans. I've seen them. I really dig these. I had to have them. Had to get them early. And yeah, I'm happy with these. I'm very happy. This is definitely something that's gonna be worn. So hopefully. Wow, I like that gold right there. That gold tab. That gold tab is dope. Yeah, that's nice. So hopefully tomorrow or maybe this weekend I'll have those UNC 9s, and maybe I can do an unboxing on them. Get them in here, do something similar, and go from there. But once again, this is my little unboxing. First time ever doing it. First time ever doing an unboxing, so work with me. I'm sure I'll get better at it, This is just off the whim. I just picked them up from FedEx. Just came from there, grabbed my lunch. It's been a hectic lunchtime so far. But, this is my attempt, my shot at it. And maybe next one will be better. But stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe if you like some of the stuff that I'm putting out. Comment on it. Comment what you guys think of this shoe. I think it's a really dope shoe. I think it's a good, good design, and these might be kind of limited when they come out. So I definitely wanted to get my pair before the craziness when they do come out. Once again, it's Mike D Kicks 518. I'm in the 518 up upstate New York, and until next time, hopefully I have something else again. Alrighty. Peace.